Today we will learn about economic problems. One of the most important topics in economics because it's very close to our daily life. Before we start, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered why so many people are still poor, or why do prices often rise? Maybe you have experienced it when buying food or daily needs. Well, all of these issues are closely related to what we call economic problems. Before we go further, let's talk about learning objectives. 1. Explain the concept of economic problems clearly. 2. Analyze the factors that influence economic problems. And 3. Calculate and incorporate economic data related to economic condition. What is an economic problem? Economic problem is a situation where unlimited human needs are covered with limited available resources. This forces each individual to make choice to meet their needs so that they can be used effectively and efficiently. In our daily life, we always want many things like food, clothes, gadgets, and all. However, we do not always have enough money or resources to get everything we want. Because of this limitation, every individual must make choice. For example, you have many choices for saving your money or buying snacks. This is a simple example of economic decision. Next, the core of economic problems. The core lies in the imbalance between ever-growing human needs and the limits means to satisfy them. The situation creates scarcity, requiring humans to purchase their needs. Scarcity happens because human wants continue to grow, but the resources to fulfill them are limited. This condition forces people to think carefully before making decisions. As a result, we must prioritize our needs, which means choosing what is important and what can be postponed. Okay, next. Economic problems in Indonesia. As a developing country, Indonesia still faces various complex economic problems. These problems include poverty, unemployment, economic inequality, and inflation, which greatly impact public health. These problems are not just terrorists, but they directly affect people's life and welfare. Next, poverty. Poverty is a condition where an individual or group of people is unable to meet basic needs such as food, clothing, and shelter. This is caused by low income, limited access to education, and a lack of employment opportunities, which impacts the community's quality of life. Okay, the next problem is unemployment. Unemployment occurs when someone in the workforce is unemployed, despite their desire to work. This problem arises from limited job opportunities and a mismatch between the skills and the needs of the workforce, which ultimately increases poverty level. Unemployment is a serious problem because it can increase poverty and lead to other social issues. Next, another important issue is economic disparity. Economic disparity indicates significant difference in income distribution between social groups. This is evident in the disparity in development between urban and rural areas, which has the potential to give rise to social injustice and conflict within communities. For example, there is often a significant difference between people living in cities and those in rural areas. This inequality can lead to social injustice and even conflict if it's not handled properly. Next, now we talk about inflation. Inflation is a condition in which the price of goods and services increase daily and continuously. This condition causes people purchasing power to decline because the value of money decreases, making it more difficult to make daily needs. This is meant that with the same amount of money, people can buy fewer goods than before. As a result, people purchasing power declines and it becomes more difficult to meet daily needs. So, what causes the economic problems? Economic problems in Indonesia are caused by various factors such as limited resources, high population growth, unequal income distribution, and low quality human resources that hamper productivity. All of these factors can reduce productivity and slow down economic growth. Now, let's discuss about how to solve these problems. Efforts to address economic problems, various efforts are needed, such as improving the quality of education, creating jobs, equitable development across all regions, and government policies to control price and maintain economic stability. Okay, conclusion about our material today is economic problems cannot be avoided because resources are limited, while human needs are unlimited. In Indonesia, problems such as poverty, unemployment, inequality, and inflation are still major challenges that must be addressed. Therefore, cooperation between the government and society is very important to create a better economic condition. Okay, students, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.